Today I'll be reviewing the Tymate tire pressure monitoring system. This monitoring system features fast leakage alarm, high-low pressure alarm, high temperature alarm, and show real-time individual tire data. This is the address for where this comes from, and there's not really a lot other information on the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have on the inside. So it looks like the first thing we have here is one of those sticky things that you put on your car dashboard. So I'm assuming this is what you would mount your tire pressure monitor on. Here we have the user manual. Then here we have the wireless tire pressure monitoring system instruction manual. So how to get this installed or replace the battery. And then another small thing, this talks about the dust shield installation. Over here, looks like in here we have the USB jack. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick, see. So here's the USB. Here we have one of the power outlets for your cigarette lighter in your car, assuming this would be used to power on your tire pressure monitoring system. And then we have a wrench, little wrench, and then we have some hex nuts and some rubber washers. And here we have, I'm pretty sure this is the dust shield covers. So we have 4 of these. So this would go right through the air nozzles, would go right through it, and it would basically protect it from any dust. And then this right here is actually a key to get your tire pressure monitoring things on and off. To tighten it, to loosen it, we will go ahead and demonstrate that later. So this is what goes on your, these are the tire pressure sensors. These are the things that basically sense how much air you have, or I mean what the PSI is. So these are all marked. So you have let's see, so these are all, so we have RF, RR, so you can see right front tire, we have right rear tire, we have left front tire, and then here we have the left rear tire. And then lastly, we have our tire monitoring system. This is the monitor that basically keeps tracks of everything. Looks like we have some solar. So if you have this on your dashboard and you don't want to have this plugged in to your cigarette lighter, then if the sun is out, then it should charge by itself and run without you having to connect it. We do have some plus or minus button here, I'm pretty sure, to set some things. Then we have a power button and then a settings button, more than likely. And then we have a little digital screen. Nothing really on the back. And on the side here we have the port where you would plug in your USB directly from your cigarette lighter to have this charge or come on. So this monitor over here features automatically solar power battery recharger, pressure and temperature alarm, display and sound prompt alarm, multiple pressure unit options such as PSI or bar, multiple temperature option like Celsius or Fahrenheit, configurable high or low pressure and high temperature alarm, tire position exchange, automatic wake up function, automatic backlight, built-in rechargeable lithium battery, detects up to 7 tires including 1 spare tire, display temperature and pressure, fast leakage alert, and high stability and easy installation. Now when you're installing this monitor inside of your car, you want to make sure that you put it in such a place where it would not be in your way and it would not affect your driving. So I would recommend putting it on your dash, maybe further up to your windshield. Here on the instruction manuals, you have some icons that I think you guys should be aware of. So we have the tire position icon, we have the low voltage of the sensor battery icon, and then we have the monitor power level, tire alarm status, and then solar power indicator. And this is what the display looks like. So let's go ahead and turn this monitor on and look at all the settings that we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and press and hold the power button, and you should hear one beep to let you know that it's powering on. Currently it is in sleep mode. It beeps one time and the display comes on. You can see it has PSI, your car, and the 4 tires. So let's go ahead and take a look at the settings and see what all we can set up. So just press and hold the setting buttons back here. And you can see it beeping. And over here you can use the plus or the minus button to change between your options. So I have PSI blinking. So then I can do PSI or bar. So I will keep it on PSI. Then let's press the setting button again. It goes to Fahrenheit. So temperature, you can either do Celsius or Fahrenheit. I will keep it in Fahrenheit. And then if I press here again, so now it's asking me to set my high pressure. So from here you can see my PSI for the front tire is 44. So let's say I want to have my high set up to 40, and then I will press the setting button again, and then I want my low to be 30, and then I will go ahead and go to the back with high pressure of 40 again, and then do low pressure of 30, just to be on the safe side. And then for my spare tire, for my high, I guess I will do 45. And then if I press it again, then you can do the low, and I will do low at 30. And once you press again, it's the temperature. So what is the highest temperature when it should start telling you that temperature, tires are getting real hot? So let's get this back down to 150 or 151, and then we are back to the beginning. So now if you're done, go ahead and press and hold this settings button, and it goes back to your settings. So let's go ahead and get this monitor installed, and we will see how our tire pressure is doing in our car and how accurate this is. In order for you to power off this monitor, all you need to do is the same exact way you turn it on. Press and hold the power button and you will hear one beep. And it shuts off. So here you take the rubber padding and place it on your dashboard, and then you take your monitor and place it right above that. It sticks to there, doesn't really move around, and it's quite easy to take off as well. Now I'm removing the cover for the air nozzle. And once it's removed, I'm gonna go ahead and put the dust cover on there. Then my hex nut. Screw it, threads really well. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my sensor on. And go ahead and tighten it up and you're done. So after installing 2 of the sensors, you can see on my screen that I can already see the tire pressure. So is this TPMS worth it? If you have a older car, then I definitely say that you could get this tire pressure monitoring system. and install it. It's very quick to install, easy to track all of your pressure, and I think you will enjoy it. So I'll definitely recommend you to go ahead and use this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.